Hello everyone, welcome to botany class. I Dr. Anagha Rajapadhe will teach you chloroplast. It covers what is chloroplast, function and structure of chloroplast. Cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of an organism, which typically microscopic and consists of cytoplasm and a nucleus. Cell structure and organelle vary in plant and animal cell. The difference in their cell composition is the reason behind the difference between plant and animal, their structure and functional. Each cell organelle has a particular function to perform. Plants are the basis of all life on the earth. Plant also known as producer. Plant cell contains very special structure known as plastid. What is plastid? Plastid are double membrane cell organelle which play role in manufacturing and storing of food. There are various types of plastids occur in plants. Chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. Each plastid have very specific function. Chloroplast. It contains chlorophyll pigment. Chlorophyll pigment traps sunlight in process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process in which light energy is converted into chemical energy. Chromoplast. Chromoplast are color plastid which contain carotenoid, typically having red, orange, yellow pigments. They are present in flower and fruits. Leucoplast. Leucoplasts are colorless organelle used for storage of starch, lipids and proteins. Moving to our main subject, that is chloroplast. Definition: chloroplast is an organelle that contains chlorophyll pigment. Various types of chlorophyll pigment like A and B found in plant that capture sunlight and convert it into useful energy, releasing oxygen from the water. They are found in the guard cell which is located in the leaves. Chlorophyll absorbs light most strongly in blue portion of electromagnetic spectrum as well as red portion. As the chlorophyll absorbs blue and red wavelength and reflects green color. High concentration of chlorophyll that traps the sunlight. Chemical structure of the chlorophyll. Chlorophylls are numerous in plant in types, but all are defined by the presence of fifth ring beyond the four pyryl like rings. Most chlorophylls are classified as a chlorines, which are reduced relatively of porphyrins. Chloroplast present in all higher plant. It occurs in various shapes. They vary from spheroid, filamentous saucer shape, discoid and ovoid shape. In algae, it shows various types of shape like in Spirogyra, it is spiral shaped with lobe edges. In Chlorella, it is cup shaped. In higher plant, it is ovoid and discoid shape. It occurs in various size also, in between 4 to 6 micrometer in diameter to 1 to 3 micrometer in thickness. Chloroplast is double membrane organelle with presence of outer, inner and thin intermembrane space. It has two distinct regions known as grana and stroma. Outer membrane. Outer membrane is semiporous membrane. It is permeable to molecules and ions which diffuses easily. It is not permeable to larger protein. The intermembrane space is present in between outer membrane and inner membrane. The thickness is 10 to 20 nanometer. Inner membrane. It forms a border to the stroma. It regulates the passage of material in and out of the chloroplast. Stroma. Stroma is alkaline aqueous fluid which is protein rich, present within the inner membrane of chloroplast. The space outside the thylakoid space is called as a stroma. The chloroplast, DNA, chloroplast ribosome and thylakoid system, starch granules and many proteins are found floating around the stroma. Thylakoid system. It is suspended in the stroma, that is in aqueous fluid. It is a collection of membranous stalks called as the thylakoids. The chlorophyll is found in the thylakoids and it is a site for the process of the light reaction of the photosynthesis to happen. The thylakoids are arranged in stalk known as a grana, and each grana contain around 10 to 20 thylakoids. The function of the chloroplast. The main function of the chloroplast is photosynthesis is occur in two phases, light reaction and dark reaction. Photosynthesis are involved in the light reaction that synthesizes ATP and NADPH. O2 is released in this first reaction, that is light reaction. Dark reaction utilizes the product of the light reaction, that is oxygen, to fix the CO2. Starch synthesis occurs within the stroma. Some of the intermediate are transported to cytosol for the sucrosynthesis. Thank you.